This is Rajendra Kumar. Here, I just want to talk about the kind of problem what you're facing during the pandemic. Pandemic is one of the best solution to enhance our relationship. So far, we concentrated more on work without knowing the feelings of our close relatives. Now, definitely you have frustration and anger. When you are sitting in a home, what kind of anger, frustration you are having? From your family members. Definitely you have a problem with your family members, especially your wife. Yeah, wife, sometimes people say is a knife. That's a kind of attitude you have. You are getting shocked when your wife asks you to clean the vessels. You are shocked when your wife asks you to take care of your child because you have an ego that you are a family breadwinner so that all the people should hear your views. You can sit in your home for longer hours and do the work. Your wife always have to do work and prepare all kind of meals to you. Meanwhile, you need certain coffee and all other thing. Everything that you have to prepare, that is the kind of mindset you are having. But during the pandemic, when you are sitting at home, your wife is always working for 24 hours. You just look at that. You can understand the kind of hard work what your wife is doing. So this one will avoid your ego. So you have to completely avoid your ego. Then only you will realize the pain and agony what your wife is undergoing. Now, you try to support your wife by extending your help to her. Otherwise, it will become as a hell. That means you and your wife will travel in the different path. So when you are traveling in a different path, always there will be a trust deficit. When there is a trust deficit, the problem started to occur. When the trust deficit occurs, intensify. That means you are not at all hearing your wife's views. You are trying to impose your views on your wife and the children. So how to avoid this? You just maintain silence and keep your mind in a happy state. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So always, even though you have a pressure, I know you have a pressure because working in a home is a different ballgame. Even after working for 1 year, we people could not able to understand the real dynamics of working in home. So as per the recent surveys, 90% of employees want to go to their office. So I do not know when the COVID will end. Up to that level, we have to be in the home for our safety as well as our family safety. So this is the right time to understand your wife and children. So give a space to them and talk to them frequently. Understand their needs and wants. So try to adapt yourself with your wife requirement and extend your unconditional love to a wife and children for a longer period. If you did that, definitely your family is filled with happiness and there will be no trust deficit. Your wife will respect you and your family will become as a super family by enjoying all kind of happiness and joy. So please maintain the silence as well as the trust and happiness inside your home. Don't disclose your tension, aggression, and angry when you are talking to your wife and children when you are in the pandemic, because Everybody is having a same kind of tension as you like. Your wife as well as children both have same kind of tension, pressure from their office. So understand this situation and try to extend your olive branch or help to your wife in all aspects. This is the right time to create trust and happiness inside your home. If you have created this thing, it will long last for your life. Your life will become as a very happy affair. So avoid all kind of frustration, fight, angry during the pandemic, and try to enjoy with your children and wife, because this kind of time you will never get in future. Once everything got solved, when the program, the economy got started, you have to work for 24 hours, because so this is the right time to enjoy everything. Thank you.